Creating a financial plan can seem daunting, but it's an essential step toward achieving financial security and achieving your long-term goals. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a financial plan. Step 1. Assess your current financial situation and goals. The first step in creating a personalized financial plan is to assess your current financial situation and identify your short and long-term goals. This includes evaluating your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities, as well as defining your financial objectives. Step 2. Determine your risk tolerance and investment strategy. Next, you'll need to determine your risk tolerance and investment strategy. This involves considering your investment goals and risk tolerance to develop a portfolio that matches your investment style. Step 3. Develop a budget and savings plan with your investment strategy in place. The next step is to develop a budget and savings plan that aligns with your financial goals. This includes identifying your monthly expenses, creating a savings plan, and identifying ways to reduce your expenses. Step 4. Consider tax planning strategies to optimize your financial plan. It's essential to consider tax planning strategies. This includes taking advantage of tax-advantaged retirement accounts, charitable giving, etc., 10-10D, and other tax-saving strategies. Step 5. Evaluate insurance needs and options. Another critical step in creating a personalized financial plan is to evaluate your insurance needs and options. This includes reviewing your life, health, disability, and long-term care insurance needs and determining the appropriate coverage. Step 6. Create a retirement plan with your investments, budget, and insurance in place. It's time to create a retirement plan that aligns with your long-term financial goals. This includes identifying your retirement objectives, estimating retirement expenses, and developing a plan to reach your retirement goals. Step 7. Review and adjust your plan regularly. Finally, it's essential to review and adjust your financial plan regularly. As your life changes, your financial plan will need to adapt accordingly. Creating a personalized financial plan may seem challenging, but it's a critical step toward achieving financial security and achieving your long-term goals. By following these steps, you can develop a personalized financial plan that aligns with your unique needs and helps you achieve financial success. For financial planning, you can contact us at the below number. This is not investment advice. For personalized investment advice, you should contact your financial advisor.